Campaign. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin nito? Tara, alamin natin. Campaign is the act of promoting the election of a candidate or the defeat of a candidate. So, in that instance, there is what we call the positive campaigning and there is what we call the negative campaigning. Pero before tayo pumunta dyan, alamin natin, attorney, kailan nagsisimula ang campaign period. For senators, the campaign period has already started. It started on February 11 until May 10. For local candidates, for your mayors, for your congressman, and for your board members, Sangguniang Bayan, ayan, the campaign period will start on March 28 until May 10. Take note, the election will be on May 12, 2025. Attorney, hanggang May 10 lang ang campaign period. Why? Because on May 11, strictly prohibited po ang campaigning. So dapat on the eve of the election period, walang magkakampanya. Hindi lang yun ang kailangan nating tandaan. There are 2 dates that you need to remember. You have to remember April 17 and April 18. What are those dates? April 17 is your Maundy Thursday and April 18 is your Good Friday. On those dates, strictly prohibited din po ang campaigning. So take note, for senators, February 11 to May 10, ang campaign period, pwede silang mag-campaign. For local candidates, March 28 to May 10. The 3 dates that you need to remember were strictly prohibited ang campaigning. May 11, which is the eve of the election day, and then April 17 and April 18.